right, so let's come back home, and President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto are set to start their visit to the vote-rich Rift Valley. Uhuru and Ruto will visit Nandi in Uasin Gishu counties that voted overwhelmingly for Jubilee government in 2013. In Nandi, Uhuru will launch the tarmacking of at least 3 roads, including the Katembu Lemok Simat Rivertex Road in Uasin Gishu. Later today, he will also launch the tarmacking of the Meteite Songor Kopere Road before addressing rallies. Uhuru heads to the Rift Valley after visiting Makueni and Kitui.
It's a question of time, and we believe the president will schedule another trip to this particular place so that he can commission the remaining projects and even start others. Thus, I want to say tomorrow, as early as 9, I want to request the residents of Nandi to turn up in large numbers.
Watu wasifikiri tu serikali inaenda kuunda barabara yenye haina faida. Hii ni barabara ambayo inasaidia wakulima kwa uchukuzi wa miwa, kwa uchukuzi wa maziwa na uchukuzi wa mahindi siweze kufika kwenye soko kwa wakati unaofaa.
Akuje Eldoret sana, amekaa muda mrefu bila kuja Eldoret. Ametembea tu state lo juko Sagana, pande ya Western, na sisi tulipigia kura 95%.
All right, so let's now link up with my colleague Elvis Kaskei. He's joining us from Nandi. Thank you so much, Elvis, for joining us on News Center. So what is the itinerary like for the president and his deputy? And also, what issues is he likely to address while he's there?
Thank you very much. I'm at Katembu area, Mosop constituency, Nandi County, where President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto are expected to come here by 10:45. They'll be launching a multi-billion road projects which connects with the western circuits all the way to Kericho. We have Nandi County, Uasin Gishu, and also Bungoma County. I'm now joined by Mosop Member of Parliament, Kirwa Bitok, to just paint us a picture about what we expect when the president come here exactly at 10:45. What should we expect, Mheshimiwa?
Yeah, we expect the president to be here to launch the roads covering Kapkatembu, Selian, Kipkaren, Selia, and up to Kablemur, Lemok, Simat, and Rivertex. We also expect the president to launch the road from Kaiboi, Jepterwai, Kapkatembu to Kipkaren River in Uasin Gishu. And we also expect the president to launch the last mile in this particular area. We are expecting, we have been expecting these developments since independence, and it is a historical event that is taking place here today. You have seen the mammoth of the people, the mammoth of the way the citizens of this area are very, very enthusiastic to receive the president. And that is our greatest happiness today, to see that the Jubilee government is implementing the manifesto, is implementing what the promises that had been given to the people of this place. It is an economic stride that we are now witnessing under the Jubilee government, under His Excellency the President of the Republic and the Deputy President with the entire government of Jubilee.
Mheshimiwa, I think it will be important to mention there are key issues that residents of Uasin Gishu are raising concerns about. We have the issue where the president has not visited Uasin Gishu County since he was elected in 2013. The president now is coming 4 years later in the North Rift region.
The president has actually, this is Nandi County, and the president has visited here several times. And the time, like even here in Masop, the president visited us a few days ago, and promises that he made are these ones being fulfilled. There is no justification to say the president is now coming after 4 years. It is a process. We have been working on these processes. Even advertisements of these roads have been done around 3-4 times in some. and it has been a continued and deliberate effort to ensure that development is brought to this place and to this area. Yeah.
Mheshimiwa, you are a member of parliament in Aldai constituency. What do we expect? How will you benefit? How will the residents of Aldai benefit from this multi-billion road project?
It's not about Serem, it's not about my constituents, it's about the community at large. The community here for many years, if you look at the distance between here and Eldoret town, we are discussing about 60 kilometers away from here. These people work so hard, they make sure that their produce actually available, but getting to the market is a major problem. We have dairy sector, which I'm sure when this project is completed, it will be a breakthrough for all of us.
Mheshimiwa,
Yes.
members, residents from Nandi County, he raised concern about the tea, where they don't actually get the real market value. What are you leaders doing about it?
Like any community, they are grieved whenever we get low returns on what we work on. When we get the bonuses or our sales, our community feels so that aggrieved that they should be getting more than what they are being given. We have the government, we can do anything possible to make sure that what the returns from the tea is something that they will appreciate in totality. Maybe the main problem that all of us are experiencing here is we are getting different prices in different places, and maybe the main reason that our community are aggrieved is when they hear that communities are receiving 60 shillings per kilo, and in our community we are being given 20-something shillings per kilo. That's when they feel that something must be done. Yeah.
Asante Mheshimiwa, labda niweze kuongea na mmoja wa wananchi. Rais anapokuja hivi leo unatarajia nini haswa?
Very big expectation. First of all, my name is Timothy Yego. I'm an aspirant for MCA seat here in Cape Karen. We have very big expectation. This is an auspicious occasion we've all been waiting for. Infrastructure, especially roads, is a very key driver to every arm of the economy. So we expect a lot, and we expect that the Vision 2030 that we've been singing for many years will now come into realization.
Thank you very much. I'm told our time is up. I spoke earlier with the Member of Parliament of Mosop, Kirwa Bitok, and also the Member of Parliament of Aldai constituency. President Uhuru Kenyatta is expected to arrive here at 10:45, where residents, as you can see, if my cameraman could just zoom to see paint the picture of the Kap Katembu area, where residents are lined up to wait the President Uhuru Kenyatta and his deputy William Ruto. Residents here are expecting much from the president, and later on, President will address residents of Uasin Gishu in Eldoret CBD at around 5 or 6 p.m.
Right, Elvis, just before I let you go, what are the residents saying in regards to the Jubilee government fulfilling the promises that they made, in the last campaigns? Have they been able to fulfill these promises that they made to this residents of this particular region? What are they saying about this government and, all these corruption scandals that we're hearing left, right, center? Do they have anything to say about, this government, what they've been able to do and what they've not been able to do?
Actually, expectations are really high because this is the first time the Jubilee Party is coming to the North Rift region. This is the first time actually they are coming. And residents are saying that the Jubilee Party, first of all, they need to set their agenda or their manifesto so that they will benefit. Because some of them feel they have been left out by the Jubilee Party or by the Jubilee government. So it's time for Uhuru to come and address issues that are affecting the common mwananchi.